Whoa.
This is what happens to bad kitties.
What can I get for you?
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's just my opinion.
He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
You have no limbs. Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Izzy, are you stuck?
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Okay, kitty, let's get weighed. Ready? Let's go. Good, baby. How much do you weigh?
Snow, where's your dad? We love baths, huh?
I scratched your back. You scratch mine.
How do I pet? How do we... Oh.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
You're under arrest. Put your hands up. Under arrest.
Sylvia, my name is Emily.
What do you think about Donald Trump?
What do you mean?
Oh!
Leo, listen, we need to talk. Kiss another cat.
Hi, Punk. Can I kiss the Punk? Can I?
Punk!